That's how you do it, baby. Hey, what's going on, guys? I am headed over to a buddy's house. Gonna meet up with him, and we're going to head out and we'll try to catch some flounder today. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of something different. We're gonna be weight fishing. It's been a while since I've done any weight fishing. So I have a spot that we usually go to every year that's good for flounder. We're gonna be targeting flounder. So yeah, I hope we can catch some. Had plans to go out earlier this week and do it. Then down here in Houston, Galveston, that rain came through and canceled out all those plans. And I'm hoping to get some tight lines, but if we don't, I'm definitely going to enjoy myself either way. So see you in a bit. All right, guys, we're making a little pit stop. Mom texted me and she knew I was at the office earlier, so she wanted to make me lunch. And I told her I was going fishing. I was taking off to go fishing. And she said, "Why don't you stop by and eat?" So when Mama's cooking, you don't say no, you just come. So what's up? Work. What you cooking? Good looking?
Zucchini and shrimp. Ready. You gonna sit with Papa or at the table?
Kiss.
Hey. Arrogant. All the years they were living.
All right, guys. Well, we're here. Gonna give it a try. Our target is flounder, and for bait, I'm gonna go with these gulp. I don't think you can beat these when you're going after flounder. So I'm gonna run a tandem rig. I'm gonna start off with white. And chartreuse, and if that don't work, I got some down south that I can always turn to. Whether it's the gulp or the down south, I always seem to have good luck with them, so we're gonna give it a shot. Man, bro, they ain't even left port and they're partying.
Nah, they're coming in.
Are they? I thought they all parked over there. Shit, if they're coming in, bro, the party's over. They must be going out. I've been on one before, bro. By day 5, I was done. Did he?
Yeah.
You got him right in front of you, too, huh?
He's fucking rocking, bro.
Oh, sorry. Damn. You need these pliers? Here.
Here.
Hold it. Here. I'm gonna put this back here.
Go ahead. Watch that hook.
Damn. Damn, bro, how many times did we throw by this tree right here? You just gotta put it right in front of their face.
Jigging it real slow, and boom. There he is.
There you go.
Got it?
Oh, yeah. We can throw him back out there and reel him in again.
Just to feel like I'm getting some action.
Right.
Alright.
Put him on my line. Let me reel him in. I need a
Go
little
ahead.
solid.
Release him. He hit white.
He a white? If there's any more on here.
Yeah, I'm talking literally slow. Just, you know what I'm saying? Boom!
Got him.
Get him. Keep going, nigga. Come on. Come on. Slow. Easy, 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 easy.
Yep.
Go ahead, pop him off. Just take him out the hook. Take the hook out. I'll put the stringer in. Dino's on the board, baby.
On the board.
Did you get that on video? Man, look, we got a 17-foot stringer.
It's 20.
Good?
Here.
Nah, I'm looking good. Fucking grab.
Get him by his gills.
Oh, he got that my ass.
Oh, he got my ass with those teeth. Nice. Monster.
That's how you do it, baby.
Got him? I don't know. Now I got a stick. Got him. He might be short, huh? Man, I thought we had a double hookup right here. Oh, look, right there. He go. Come on. Sorry, dude. Hold on. There's bait hitting the water right there. Here, you need these? Oh. Dude, there's bait popping right there. Here.
Man.
Hey, guy, you ain't a surgeon. Just be ripping people. Getting that pink. Go straight out. That's where I got these last two bites. Got him. I don't know.
Making fun of me and my tater chips.
All right. Tater chip.
Yeah, that's a little bit bigger than a wavy
Yeah, look where I got that hook set.
That's a little bit bigger than a wavy lays, nigga.
All right. Damn it, I dropped that.
What you drop?
I had my pole in the water.
Oh. Yeah, we're in this spot called Tater Chip Heaven.
All right, let's just kill him. Oh, oh. Got him.
Doing it now.
Yeah, he's better than that one. Got him.
Whatever counts, man. That nigga said, better than the last one.
All right.
Nah, nigga, he really ain't.
All right. I think we have found Tater Chip Heaven.
Oh, I lost the giant.
Really?
Yeah. Ooh, that was a big one.
Let's stop right here.
Oh, that one fucking had some torque on him.